Hello, everybody. Welcome to this presentation. We are Alejandra Martinez and Felipe Triana. Today, we are gonna do a role play. In this role play, we will create a communicative situation where the vowel or vocal, semi-vowel, and consonant systems of English are involved. In this presentation, we will cover an interview.
Good morning. Welcome to the 2025 selection process at Victoria American Institution. I am Alejandra.
Hi Alejandra, my name is Felipe Triana. It's my pleasure to be here today.
We will proceed with the following question. Introduce yourself.
Of course, Aleja, my name is Felipe Triana. I'm 21 years old. I am very interested in this position because it allows me to use my skills and grow up professionally.
What motivated you to become a teacher?
Well, different kind of things. But for example, one of them is get over myself and improve the knowledge of all the students that I have over my hand.
Pedagogical question. Do you have knowledge on the topic of vowel and semi-vowel sounds?
Yes, of course, Aleja. I have some information about that. Characteristics vowels are voice sounds produced without significant construction of airflow, allowing it to pass freely through the vocal tract. English vowels vary in length, short and long vowels are quality, tense and lax, and can include diphthongs, which blend two vowel sounds within one syllable. For instance, my or house, and interplay in sentence pronunciation, intonation, and prosody. Vowels, bears, and width of pitch changes intonation in sentence. Crucial for expressing questions, statements, or emotions.
And remember the semi-vowel characteristics. Ef and up are sounds that, though like two vowels, that they involve minimal construction of airflow function as consonants. When you work with a team, you need to be adaptable and will to listen. Thanks for your participation today. Don't worry, don't call us, we call you.
Oh, you will call me? Um, okay. Thank you, I suppose. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
But before going, I would like to say thank you for the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your team. My focus is to support this company's goals by bringing in skills that can enhance team efficiently. So please call me. Please. Thank you.
Semi-vowel. When you work with a team, you need to be adaptable and willing to listen. Let's break down the semi-vowel sounds in the sentence. Up, in, when, were, and willing. Yep, in you and team, when we say you together with team. The yeah sound is used in the transition to the next vowel sound.
And vocal. I am very interested in this position because it allows me to use my skills and grow professionally. Let's break down the vowel sound in this sentence. Vowel I, in, I'm, and my. diphthongs. We have E, interested, position, in because, and skill, short sound. E, in me, and professionally, long sound. O, in raw, diphthong. We have A, in because, short sound. And the last one, A, schwa, in words like interested, position, because, and professionally, relaxed sound, and unstressed. And finally, we have consonant system. For example, we have a lot of consonant system or consonant in this part of the presentation. For example, in the last sentence, thank you for the opportunity to discuss how I can contribute to your team. My focus is to support the company's goal by bringing in the skills that can enhance team efficiently. So well, thank you so much for listening this presentation.